Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix do not disturb keeps turning on issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, click on schedule and delete this schedule and click on delete. After click on delete and turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb button, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on software update and click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix do not disturb keep turning on issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.